Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here with another cool repair video. Looks like we got a 5001 here from High Score Video Games in Shakopee, Minnesota with an AU serial code. It's pretty dirty in there. I'll clean it off camera. She's never been open. Let's go ahead and check some of that out and see what's wrong with it and make the repair. This is the 5001 series. I particularly like these ones. It's either a laser or a board, nothing else. Yeah, you heard me right. Laser or motherboard. I don't attempt to repair these motherboards. They got so simplified to them that they're not worth my time fixing. A motherboard swap is easier. Go ahead and plug the console in. Alright, turn the back power off so it doesn't get surge. Come on, get in there. Sorry about the camera, I was just plugging it in. Go ahead and push it back. Do we have power? We do. Live video? We do. Nothing in it. Tray comes out smoother than butter. Oops, sorry about that. Read it right away. Whoop. Like and subscribe, please. I'm looking for Patreon supporters. Make this channel more possible for better equipment so I can make better content. I said I use the same discs over and over again. I've seen that a million times. I actually do play this game, by the way. This is my personal disc, so go ahead and saw that a million times.
U.S. Special Operations Command has been...
It was actually a very good video game series. They actually had one on a PlayStation 3 called SOCOM 4. I did not know that. I never actually seen it's on a physical disc. I've never even seen it, so. The SOCOM series was a very good success for Sony, I guess. And I can see why. Put it in a game.
Team, it's vital that you... Commander, you must look...
Yeah, locate Mallard. Do we have Rumble?
Alright, team, you heard the lady. Let's lock it up and get moving.
Yeah, it does rumble.
Let's not forget that intel suggests there are multiple patrols.
So we're gonna go ahead and reset.
We should stick to cover to...
try to, sorry about that. We'll try put a CD in here, also known as a CD-ROM, or Sony likes to call them a compact disc. Ah, the classic click. Is she going to error out? There it goes. Disk read error. That is a laser, folks. We're going to go ahead and, for giggles, try a PlayStation disc. And then we'll go ahead and go get a laser put in this, and we'll go from there, huh? Yeah, I had the click of death on there. It reads a PlayStation disc, though. But it will not read a CD. That's a bad laser. Hey, that thing clicked really hard. I have not booted mine up in a while. I'll have to test it.
Absorb the speed. Rage Racer.
I'll have to test that off camera and start using it more. I thought I'd buy that, fix that, and eliminate that, but I saw the picture quality is like, nah. It's the same quality as me having that, so. And I prefer my super slim anyways,
And let's get it on.
to be honest with you.
3, 2, 1, go! The race is on. Show me what you've got. 3 laps to go.
Alright, cool. I'm going to try that CD one more time, but I guarantee you we got the click of death because it won't read it. No, it reads it. That is an unreliable laser, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out for that purpose. It's not reliable. It's going bad. Hopefully it's a 400C because that's what I have new. But on these 5001 series, it's a crapshoot. I might be a 400R. If that's the case, we're gonna have a part 2 on this one. So I'll have to get one. We'll get this puppy on the bench and we'll go ahead and swap the laser out and see if she'll be reliable after that. I told you guys, like and subscribe. I show you these intermittent problems on purpose because it happens. You know, you can also put an EA Sports game in here if it doesn't read it. The laser's junk too. Go ahead and let it hit the wall, and I'll show you this thing rumbles like a song gun. See? That's why I like Ford Racing 3. You really test rumble on it. Like I said, well, I'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and take the sucker apart and swap that laser out. If we have a laser. I already got the... And we're back, folks. We already got the top off. 2 screws. 1, 2. And 2 clips in the back. What do we got? Just a 400C. I have those. Yeah, I had to avoid the warranty. What warranty? That's the joke. I said that's a dead power supply. I'll fix it. I fixed plenty of those. You know, I'd pop the tray out. I am not, I repeat, not taking this whole thing apart just to get the tray open. Yes, you can pop the trays manually. It requires you to take the drive off. No thanks. Oh, it's the old clip style. Alrighty. I'm gonna go get a laser. After I show you how to pop the clips on these suckers. Oh. You gotta pop the clips. And don't lose this spring. You lose the spring, you're screwed. Like that. That's all you gotta do. Pop them. I can't really do this one-handed. I'm trying to be talented. There she goes. And that has to be underneath this lip. You see this? Focus. This little part, it's got to be underneath the lip, and it's got to be in there before you push it down. Otherwise, it's no different than anything else. Take the pole out. Set it aside. Go like this. And did you notice this one has a metal flag on it? With the right screw, you can put the plastic ones in here. You can't do it with this deeper screw. Otherwise they will skip. But that's actually the better style than the plastic ones because they wear. So, like I said, let me get a laser and I'll be right back. Alright folks, we're back. Sorry I didn't show you that I did the laser swap, but it is complete. I'll go ahead and try CD again. I don't trust the lasers I got just off of eBay right now, so. I'll boot it right up. Whoop. Like I told you, you get that intermittent discrete error on a 5001, it's a laser. Just to let you know. I probably could have got away with cleaning that one. But like I told you, I'll clean them. Waste of time.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3.
Disputed 2.
Single player. Ford Company. Movie car chases. Car selected.
Seems to be working okay. I said I like to sell a quality repair, I just know not to buy it from the seller. So they claimed that they were new. They were clearly not new. Oh, I got a super start. Nice. As I'm hitting the wall. Okay, that's cool. Oh my god. Got the controller hopping all over the floor. Oop. Almost dropped my test disc. Let's go ahead and put SOCOM back in here. Make sure it reads the DVD. Sorry about that. I had the top off for this, by the way. I normally don't run them like that. Okay, cool. Boop. SOCOM 2, Navy SEALs. Like I said, I'm looking for Patreon supporters. I'm looking for everybody right now. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers and see if we can get there.
U.S. Special Operations Command has been...
This does sound like a healthy laser, though. No clickety click. I don't like to use lasers, so me and the Chinese seller are gonna have a word about that. I could jack a laser out of something and use it too.
Team, it's vital that you locate
Like I said, lasers are hard to come by now.
Call sign.
Alright, team, you heard the lady. Let's lock it up and get moving.
Yeah, enough of that.
Intel suggests there are more.
Let's make sure it reads a PlayStation disc. Sorry about the camera. Boot it up right away.
Absorb the speed and power you and your machines. Rage Racer.
Rage Racer. Anyway, sorry about that. Racers, start your engines and let's get it on. I love this game.
3,
It was a really good
1, go.
racing game back in the day.
Race is on. Show 'em what you've got. 3 laps to go.
We're gonna go ahead and reset. We're gonna go ahead and do Season 8, Disc 21 of the Turtles. I'll put this back together off camera. That's why I like the 5000 ones. They were best of both worlds. They actually had the built-in IR reader, everything. You could use the Sony remote with no problem, and all the PlayStation 2 DVD remote. And unfortunately, I don't have a DVD remote. Of course, I don't play DVDs on my PlayStation 2, so I need to get a 4K player. 4K player will play DVDs, so it doesn't matter. Hell, my PlayStation 3 will play DVDs.
Cowabunga, dudes, it's party time. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Season 7 is now on DVD.
I think the celebration is in order. You're absolutely right.
Celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Gnarlacious Heroes in a Half Shell.
I know just how to do it.
By collecting all 4.
Oh, this one just says menu. Okay. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's go with episode 2. There you have it, folks. It works. That was when they made the movies. I love them movies. I have all of them on Blu-ray. There you have, folks. Another successful repair at Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair. I'll see you on the next one.